Good morning, dear parents. I am Ryan speaking to you from YouTube channel Sarah. Yesterday I addressed the parents, and today I want to continue for a few more minutes on that, because the response has been good but not to the expected level. Parents do understand my interest in the younger generation. I retired about 10 years back, and then I started taking classes in colleges wherever they called me into high schools. I was very happy to shape the dreams of the younger generation. But because of the COVID, I am unable to go for the last almost 7-8 months, and I was wondering what I should do. Finally, I thought I should go online. In fact, I am not very much used to this. I have learned this only to reach your children and shape their personalities. So again, I appeal to you. Parental relationship, that is parenting, is really very necessary for the younger generation. Kindly understand this. Kindly take it from me. It's very, very important. Otherwise, we'll be regretting later. Kindly ask your children to subscribe to my channel. You can also subscribe, which will really encourage me. And there is a saying, there is a song in Tamil, which I will sing for you for a few seconds. Yenda kuzhandayum nalla kuzhandaidan mannil pirakayile பின்னல்லவராவதும் தீயவராவதும் அன்னை வளர்ப்பதிலே அன்னை வளர்ப்பதிலே. Please understand the implication. The parental care is really very, very necessary. Kindly don't develop conflicts with them because of the gap. That will actually spoil them. We are all now interested in collecting wealth, material things, ignoring the future of the children. We are very busy with our other chores. You must understand, time you invest in your children will give you rewards when you are growing old, when you are above 50. If you are not going to take care of them, you won't get that satisfaction when you reach that age. So kindly, please do understand, it is very, very important. Parenting is very, very necessary. Catch them young. Better late than never. Catch them young. The younger formative ages are important. More than that, the adolescent age is very, very important. Let us understand that and spend time. And also they need, in addition to the parents, they need somebody to guide them, coach them and mentor them. Because today, the teachers, they don't have time to do all these things in the school because the curriculum is very taxing and demanding. And today the children are under additional pressure because of the COVID-19. They are not able to meet their friends. Once they go to school, they can have a lot of fun, which is missing, which has created pressure for them. Please understand. They need this time, if they rot, if they are going to idle, this will result in very serious things. Kindly, please do understand this. And try to, it's not necessary that you should send them to me or get them attached to me. You should find somebody who can do a good job on mentoring. This is very, very important. In fact, I have postponed my program to Monday. For a 3-4 day program, I wanted to start on Friday, but I am postponing that to Monday. Kindly make use of me. I would like to dedicate the rest of my life for the younger generation. I will be very happy if you can make use of me. And I again underline, I want you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel Saral, and also request your adolescent children to subscribe. So that will be very useful for them. I will be lifting up the quality once the COVID goes away. Because today I am confined to my study room to do this. It's a very small room, but still you understand my enthusiasm to reach there. Make use of me is my repeated request. It's always better you at least start today. Don't postpone it for tomorrow. That is very, very important. Your earnings, your properties, your assets will not be of any use to your children. You will be seeing that in front of your eyes, the properties are all getting, extinct. Because the character, personality formation is not proper for the next generation. So I don't think I should repeat any more. Kindly see my videos. It will be very helpful for you. I'll be talking to the parents, I'll be talking to the students, I will be talking to the general public. Make use of my channel. Please subscribe and you will reap the benefits, I assure you. So catch them young, spend time with them and attach them to a coach, a mentor who is really interested in that. It is not the money that you are going to give me. It is the satisfaction that I am going to derive. Thank you.